In this video we teach you that how to free download Audacity. First of all, go to fileextra.com. The link is given in description. Click on download button. Then click on this button. Click on Start Download button. Now the file is downloading through Internet Download Manager. Now turn off the Wi-Fi or internet. Otherwise software is not activated. Now open the setup. Click on OK button. Click on Next button, click on Next button, click on Next. Click on Next button. Click on Install button. The Audacity is installing. Click on Next button. Click on Finish button. Now go to Help and click on About Audacity for confirmation. Like the video, give us feedback, subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.